Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vivian, and if this is your first time on my channel, grab a seat and join the others at the back. Today we're shaving my face. It's not really visible on camera, but I do have some white hairs on my face, and I also have a bit of a little mustache going on. It's not really visible, as I said before, but it's there and I can see it, and I wanted to finally get rid of it. This is actually my first time trying this out because I've been scared because I just feel like whenever I see other people doing things like this, when I try to attempt, my own is always a different story. I always feel like I might break out if I try shaving my face, and I just didn't want to deal with that. But I just decided to overcome all of that and just do it because yeah, I watched a couple of videos before I tried mine, and they always started off with washing their face, so I washed my face. For the next step, I applied a serum. The particular brand that I use is the Face Facts Hyaluronic Serum. I use this so that my dermaplaning blade can slide smoothly and easily on my skin, and just so that I'll avoid giving myself cuts and scratches. This step isn't necessary, but I just wanted to use the aloe vera because I'm extra and just to provide some extra moisture to my skin. These blades, I got them from a beauty store on my street, and I got them for like 600 naira for the pack. And as you can see, I stretched out my skin. Honestly, I'm just going by what I saw other people do in their videos, other people that usually shave their face. And there's a reason for that. It's just so that your blade doesn't like skip over your skin and you don't accidentally cut yourself. I was really trying to get the best angles for you guys so that you can see exactly what I'm doing, because any minute from now I'm just going to stop talking so that you guys can see what I am doing and how I am doing it. So this is how my face is looking right now, and if you stuck up until this moment in the video, you're a real one. You might as well subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share to your friends. Follow me on all my social media platforms at VIIVNX, and I'll see you when next episode.